What if you were 60 years old and all you had was just $100 in your pocket? No job, no hope, no future. Would you give up? This is the true story of a man who didn't. His name was Colonel Harlan Sanders. At the age of 65, his tiny restaurant had failed. He was broke, rejected, and almost homeless. All he had left was a fried chicken recipe, a recipe he believed in with all his heart. He could have quit. He could have said, "I'm too old, it's too late." But he didn't. He packed his bags and hit the road. He went from restaurant to restaurant, offering his chicken recipe in exchange for a small partnership. But guess what? He was rejected 1,009 times. People laughed at him. They said, "Who starts a business at 65? Your time is over." But Colonel Sanders believed, not in luck, not in miracles. He believed in his effort. And finally, someone said yes. One yes out of over 1,000 no's. That one yes turned into the first KFC. And from there, it spread across America, then the world. Today, KFC is in over 150 countries. And the man who once had nothing became the founder of a global empire. So if you feel like you're too old, too tired, or too late, remember this. Failure doesn't mean you're finished.
Yes.
It means it's time to begin again.